but I really enjoy the taste of them, and they don't take too much time to make. First, you're going to preheat your oven to 375. Then you're going to take a small bowl and combine 2 3/4 cups of flour with 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. You're also going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then you're just going to whisk that together and set it off to the side. Next, you're going to take an electric mixer and you're going to beat 2 sticks of softened butter with 1½ cups of sugar on medium speed for about a minute until it's light and fluffy, I guess. Next, you're going to add your eggs one at a time. Just beat it in after you add each one. Now you're going to gradually add in your dry ingredients. Once your dough is done, you can take it off of your mixer. Then you're going to take a bowl and you're going to put in it 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And you can just grab a spoon and stir that up. Then you're going to take a couple baking sheets. I'm just going to use one to start. A sheet of parchment paper for each baking sheet. Next, you're going to take a cookie scoop, or if you don't have one of these, just a spoon. And you're going to just make little balls. And you're going to roll them in your hand. And then you're going to roll them in the cinnamon and sugar mixture. And then you're just going to place them on a tray a couple inches apart. Okay, so I've only made 1 tray of these. I'm gonna do the other one while it's in the oven, but I'm not gonna film that since you don't have to watch double time lapse since you get the point. But I'm going to bake these for about 7 minutes to start, and you don't really want to exceed 10 minutes. These are sort of difficult to bake since you don't want them to actually be flat. You want them to be puffed up. I'll show you when they come out, but I'll just be back when they come out. So these are about to be done. Turns out I'm going to need to use at least 1 more baking sheet because I still have a lot left, but these are done. So I'm going to just take them out while leaving the oven on. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but they look really puffed up and that's perfect. So I'm just going to slide this off onto the counter, and then I'm going to just put my next sheet in for 8 minutes and make some more on this sheet. I'm gonna let those ones cool for, I'm gonna do it for probably 10 minutes. You can do it as long as you want. They're good warm, they're good cool, however you want them. Just don't touch your hot baking sheet. So I'm actually gonna pull this over here. So I was just sitting here, or standing rather, rolling cookies, and then I just looked over to the ones I've already made. And I was like, oh, I'm just gonna eat one. So I did, and then I realized that they were actually cool. So now I have to eat another one on camera. Nice warm, nice crack. Now, usually I end the video after eating it, but I'm not really done, but I'll end it anyways. So these are really great. They're really delicious. If you only want to make sugar cookies, you can just skip the cinnamon sugar rolling bit and just use this for sugar cookies and it'll still taste delicious. I really like this because it's really easy and super delicious, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.